welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I achieved my double Dutch braids look. Double Dutch braids, French braids, Dutch braids. I really don't know the difference, honestly, but I know that they look cute and I'm going to try and show you how to do it. So keep watching. Okay, so first what we're going to do is start with pretty damp hair because I don't know about you, but braiding curly hair dry is literally so hard, and yes, I've tried it. Yes, it's miserable. So get your hair nice and damp so it's easier to work with. You feel? Okay, so what we're gonna do is part your hair straight down the middle because my braids are gonna be two even braids down the side, but you know, you can part your hair however you want. You can have it more parted over here, have a longer braid over here, just kind of depends on how you're feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and part halfway down my head. And split it up. And for one side, I'll just put one side up while I'm doing the other side, so the hair is out of the way. Okie dokie, that's cute. Alright, it's still a little damp, so at this point, I just go back in with my leave-in conditioner just so it can be nice and moisturized while it's up in the braid. And as y'all know, I'm still using the Fructis 1 minute leave-in conditioner. So I get a little bit of that. And this will help with the frizzing too, so just kind of rub it around. And I make sure to get the ends because especially with braiding, you know, the ends can be a little bit dry. So I'm just gonna comb through, make sure it's evenly distributed. Okie dokie. So, all right. So for the first braid, what I do is I'll just take a little section here, take it off, and that's how I'll start the braid. Now I'm gonna try my absolute best to tell you how to braid, but just a little disclaimer, I watched a lot of videos on how to braid my hair and it is not easy, but it takes practice, so do not give up and keep on trying because, you know, I couldn't do it before, now I can, and here I am showing you how to do it, so you got this. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and split it into 3 sections, just like you would for a normal braid. 3 even sections preferably, but okay. And what we're gonna do is take these 3 strands and start to actually braid it. So what I do is I take it under the middle. So braid, put the middle piece under, okay. Take the other side, go under. And I know this is hard because I have black hair too, so I'm really gonna try and explain this for you. Okay, so once I've braided a little bit, this is when you start to pick up the extra hairs. So I've got my 3 pieces here, and I'm gonna take the outside piece, pick up some hair, and cross it underneath the middle piece. So just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So the hair closest to your face, you're gonna pick up some hair. Okay. You're gonna take that hair that you just picked up and you're gonna cross it under the middle piece of hair. There you go, keep it nice and tight. And I just repeat that process until I am all the way down and my hair is fully braided. So one more time, I'm gonna take the piece on the left side, pick up some hair, and then that hair I just picked up, I'm gonna cross it underneath the middle section, and then just keep repeating the process. And like I said, this is pretty hard. I mean, it was hard for me. I don't know. Some people got it, some people takes time. But just keep practicing it and then you'll get there. And also another disclaimer, your arms are gonna be so freaking tired. So it's a little mini arm day out here braiding our hair. All right, finally. Whew. And as I get to the end, just kind of making sure that these ends stay a little detangled just so it doesn't look rough at the bottom. All right. And then I'll go in and I'll use a little handy dandy rubber band. I'll use a little handy dandy rubber band and tie it up at the end just so the braid stays. So there you go. One side done, one side to go. Like I said, this is a little extra arm workout day. All right, so we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm gonna take a little section here, section it off. Just kidding. We're not gonna do that. First, we're gonna put in some leave-in conditioner. All right, help maintain that frizz throughout the day. Make sure you get them ends. All right, now we'll do exactly what we did on the other side. So, section off a little piece here. Split it into 3. And like I said, you're gonna braid a little bit down and then you'll start adding hairs. So take some from this section, cross it under, take some from the other side, cross it under, and just keep repeating that process until this side is done. Take a little break, then get back to it. All right, then same thing this side, braid it all the way down. And then tie it up with a little band. Literally, I am sweating because that is so difficult. Whew. Okay. All right, so there we go. We got our 2 braids. Girl, look at that length. Okay, and then I will go in and kind of get my little baby hairs working with me and just yeah, lay my babies somewhat. Y'all, I've been working on it, so in due time they will come, but just a little bit, and then get those little curls that I love going here. Okay, so yeah, this is the final look, and you can do this on your day 2 hair. This is like my day 3 hair, I believe. So, or you could do it like as a protective style. If you just got out the shower, put some leave-in conditioner in, braid it up, and just leave it in for the day. Whatever you feel like doing. But like I said, this hairstyle took me forever to perfect. So take your time, and if you don't get it, don't get frustrated. Just keep trying. You will get there. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, as I have other curly hairstyles on there that you may be interested in. But thank you for tuning in this week, and I'll see you next time.